Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the mesmerizing world of one of style icons, Malavika Mohanam. From red carpets to casual outings, her fashion choices never fail to turn heads. Let's explore some of her standout looks. The actress knows how to make a statement on the red carpet. Whether it's a film premiere or an awards show, she effortlessly blends sophistication with a touch of daring. From glamorous gowns to bold accessories, she's a trendsetter. Check out the stunning black ensemble that accentuates her silhouette. The intricate details and strategic cutouts add a modern twist to the classic gown. Her red carpet choices truly reflect her fearless approach to fashion. Malavika's off-duty style is equally enviable. She effortlessly pulls off casual looks that are both comfortable and chic. Whether it's street style or a relaxed brunch outfit, she nails it every time. Take a look at this laid-back yet stylish ensemble, a perfect blend of comfort and fashion. Her ability to mix and match separates showcases her keen eye for trends without compromising on comfort. What sets Malavika apart is her willingness to experiment with fashion. Malavika not afraid to try bold patterns, unconventional silhouettes, or vibrant colors. Her daring choices challenge the norms and inspire fashion enthusiasts worldwide. From unconventional patterns to vibrant hues, Malavika's experimental choices demonstrate her fashion-forward mindset. She effortlessly pulls off bold styles, setting new standards for contemporary fashion. Beyond her impeccable style, the actress is also known for her commitment to sustainable fashion. She actively promotes eco-friendly choices, proving that fashion can be both glamorous and responsible. Her dedication to sustainable fashion is evident in her choice of eco-friendly fabrics, ethical brands, and upcycled outfits. Her advocacy sends a powerful message that fashion can be a force for positive change. Completing her looks with precision, the actress pays meticulous attention to her makeup and hairstyles. Whether it's a bold lip color, intricate braids, or sleek updos, her beauty choices complement her outfits flawlessly. Her makeup artists and hairstylists undoubtedly play a crucial role in enhancing her overall look. From red carpet glam to effortless beach waves, her beauty choices are as diverse as her fashion selections, creating a harmonious blend. From her early days in the industry to the present, she has undergone a remarkable style transformation. It's fascinating to witness how her fashion sense has evolved over the years. Starting with her debut looks to her most recent appearances, her style evolution is a captivating story. It reflects not only her changing tastes but also her growing confidence and experimentation with different trends. The actress' influence extends beyond Bollywood, making waves in the international fashion scene. From attending global events to collaborating with renowned designers, she's become a true global style icon. Whether it's walking the Cannes red carpet or gracing international fashion magazines, she effortlessly brings her unique charm to the global stage. Her ability to infuse Indian aesthetics with international trends has garnered admiration worldwide. Every fashion icon has a signature style, and Malavika Mohanam is no exception. The elements that define her signature look, from color preferences to favorite silhouettes, showcasing her distinctive fashion identity. Her love for bold colors, minimalist accessories, and elegant silhouettes stands out as her signature style. Whether it's a contemporary gown or a traditional sari, she manages to maintain a consistent and sophisticated aesthetic. Her collaborations with renowned designers have been nothing short of spectacular. From working for esteemed fashion houses to being a muse for emerging talents, she actively contributes to the dynamic landscape of the fashion industry. Her collaborations highlight her versatility, as she effortlessly showcases the visions of various designers. Her ability to adapt to different design philosophies while maintaining her individuality is truly commendable. The actress draws inspiration from a myriad of sources, infusing her wardrobe with cultural richness and contemporary vibes. The diverse inspirations that shape her fashion choices and contribute to her unique and eclectic style. From Indian art and architecture to global fashion movements, her inspirations are a melting pot of creativity. It's fascinating to see how she seamlessly blends these influences into her outfits, creating looks that are both culturally rich and fashion-forward. Every fashion journey involves risks, and Malavika Mohanam has had her share of bold choices and memorable moments. Whether it's unconventional color combinations, daring silhouettes, or avant-garde accessories, the actress has taken risks that paid off in the fashion world. These memorable moments showcase her fearlessness and innovative approach to style. Beyond being a style icon, Malavika uses her platform to advocate for inclusivity and diversity in the fashion industry. Delve into her efforts to promote body positivity, cultural representation, and the importance of embracing individuality. Her commitment to breaking stereotypes and fostering inclusivity is evident in her fashion advocacy. From supporting diverse designers to encouraging body positivity, she's making meaningful contributions to creating a more inclusive and accepting fashion landscape. Let's take a closer look at the behind-the-scenes aspects of Malavika Mohanan's fashion collaborations. From the initial concept discussions to the final runway walk, her collaborations provide a glimpse into the intricate process of bringing fashion visions to life. Her hands-on involvement, attention to detail, and collaborative spirit shine through, showcasing the teamwork and dedication that goes into crafting each iconic look. Her closet boasts an array of timeless pieces, from well-tailored blazers to elegant pumps. Malavika's ability to mix and match these essentials reflects her fashion acumen, creating looks that effortlessly transition from casual to red carpet glam. Delving into the philosophy that guides her fashion choices, she believes in the power of self-expression through clothing. Her fashion philosophy revolves around authenticity and self-expression. Her belief in embracing one's unique identity and celebrating diverse influences is evident in every outfit choice. It's a philosophy that resonates with many, making her a relatable and influential figure in the fashion world. Diving into her commitment to sustainability, we explore her eco-friendly fashion choices that go beyond the glamour. From ethically sourced fabrics to upcycled ensembles, let's delve into her sustainable fashion diaries and the positive impact she's making on the environment. From red carpet events to casual outings, she seamlessly incorporates sustainable elements, sending a powerful message that fashion and environmental responsibility can coexist. One of the hallmarks of her style is her ability to fuse different cultural elements seamlessly. In this segment, we explore how she masterfully combines traditional attire with contemporary twists, creating looks that bridge the gap between heritage and modernity. Her wardrobe is a testament to her celebration of diversity. Witness how she effortlessly blends traditional Indian fabrics, jewelry, and silhouettes with contemporary cuts, showcasing a harmonious fusion that pays homage to her cultural roots while staying relevant in the global fashion arena. In a beautiful celebration of motherhood, Malavika Mohanam has redefined maternity fashion with grace and style. Her maternity fashion choices are a delightful blend of comfort and elegance. From flowy dresses to chic maternity gowns, she radiates confidence and celebrates the beauty of this special chapter in her life, inspiring mothers to be with her chic and comfortable ensembles. We embark on a chronological journey through Malavika Mohanan's fashion evolution. From her early days in the industry to the present, we'll explore how her style has evolved, adapted, and defined various fashion eras. Her sartorial choices, witnessing the shifts in trends, influences, and personal preferences that have shaped her into the fashion icon we admire today. It's a captivating story of growth, experimentation, and staying true to one's unique style. The actress not only dazzles on the red carpet but also graces the silver screen with unforgettable fashion moments. Delve into her iconic on-screen looks, dissecting the wardrobe choices that added depth and character to her cinematic roles. From period dramas to contemporary tales, Malavika's on-screen fashion choices contribute to the narrative of each character. The attention to detail in costume design enhances the storytelling, showcasing her versatility as an actress with an innate sense of style. Her influence extends beyond the screen, it resonates with her dedicated fan base. In this segment, we explore how her fans draw inspiration from her fashion choices, creating a community where style becomes a shared language. Witness the creativity of her fans as they replicate, reinterpret, and draw inspiration from her diverse looks. It's a testament to her impact on fashion enthusiasts who find joy in expressing themselves through the styles that she so effortlessly embodies. Beyond the glamorous exterior, the actress is actively involved in philanthropic endeavors. We explore how she leverages her influence in the fashion industry to support charitable causes and contribute to positive social change. Witness her dedication to making a difference as she uses fashion as a platform to raise awareness and funds for various charitable initiatives. Her involvement goes beyond looking good, it's about doing good and creating a positive impact. Malavika's contributions to the world of fashion haven't gone unnoticed. We highlight the awards and recognitions she's received as a testament to her influence, innovation, and lasting impact on the fashion landscape. From prestigious fashion awards to acknowledgements for her style influence, the actress has earned her place among the industry's elite. These accolades underline not just her fashion choices but also her significant role in shaping trends and inspiring others. From the importance of self-expression to the significance of comfort, her fashion wisdom not only shapes her wardrobe but also serves as inspiration for those navigating their own style journeys. In this segment, we delve into exclusive interviews and behind-the-scenes dialogues with Malavika Mohanam. Uncover the candid insights she shares about her fashion preferences, challenges, and the evolving nature of the fashion industry. The actress values her fans, and in this segment, we explore her interactions with the fashion community. From responding to fan queries to acknowledging fan-inspired fashion, witness the symbiotic relationship she shares with her admirers. Delving deeper into Malavika's impact on the fashion industry, we explore her collaborations with designers and potential ventures in fashion design. Malavika's collaborations extend beyond wearing designer pieces to potentially creating them. We examine her potential influence in the design sphere and how her artistic vision could evolve into exciting ventures within the fashion industry. We focus on her fitness fashion, delving into her holistic approach to health and wellness. Beyond just trendy workout attire, we explore how she intertwines fashion with her commitment to a healthy lifestyle. From gym essentials to activewear styles, she exemplifies that staying fit can be a fashionable journey, inspiring many to adopt a healthy and stylish lifestyle. We explore how her wardrobe extends to film costumes, dissecting the sartorial nuances that contribute to the authenticity and visual storytelling of her on-screen characters. Witness how her fashion sensibilities blend seamlessly with the characters she portrays on screen. Her attention to detail in costume choices adds depth and visual appeal to her performances, showcasing a harmonious fusion of fashion and film. There you have it, Malavika Mohanan's fashion journey decoded. Whether it's red carpet elegance, casual chic, or experimental fashion, she continues to leave us in awe with her impeccable style. Don't forget to let us know your favorite Malavika look in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.